Well, so the voter turnout became a major talking point, and so has the fierce contest in Jammu and Kashmir, with BJP's Mission 44 at stake. While Chief Minister Omar Abdullah is now facing an anti-incumbency wave, will the Saffron Party make inroads into the valley, or will it be the PDP making a comeback? Stay tuned to Times Now on the 23rd of December for Result Day Live with Arnab Goswami.
A high-octane campaign marred by terror attacks, political clashes, sarpanch killings and boycott calls by separatists. But nothing deterred the spirit of the Kashmiri voters in these polls.
It occurred near about 7:45 when the blast occurred, but people doesn't rush away from the spot. They still stay there to cast their vote.
A fierce contest among the big players in battleground Kashmir.
आज अचानक आपके एक लीडर को नरेंद्र मोदी में भाई नजर आता है।
ईमानदारी से लोगों का काम करने वाली सरकार चाहिए भाई।
BJP going all out to accomplish Mission 44.
जम्मू कश्मीर के मेरे भाइयों बहनों, आपने मुझे जो प्यार दिया है, इस प्यार को मैं ब्याज समेत लौटाऊंगा। विकास करके लौटाऊंगा।
And for Omar Abdullah, who is already battling anti-incumbency, a split with the Congress may also prove to be a setback. Probably a reason why he's testing waters ahead of the big results. Arguing for the BJP, slamming the UPA government for not conferring Atal Bihari Vajpayee with the Bharat Ratna.
To form a government in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, it will have to stitch an alliance with either the PDP or the National Conference.
A former separatist has also jumped into the fray this time, and Sajjad Lone's meeting with the top BJP leaders has already triggered speculations of post-poll alliance.
I requested him about the relief and rehabilitation measures that are being taken for Kashmir in the wake of floods, and he assured me that he will go out all the way at a personal level also to ensure that we restore the glory of Srinagar. I requested about the Smart City project, and he was very, very positive about it. And apart from that, we talked about medium, long-term development in the state in terms of infrastructure, road network, in terms of medical colleges that we might need, hospitals that we might need, and a host of other issues all pertaining to development.
Meanwhile, even the PDP eyeing a comeback, but their CM aspirant has surely revealed her mindset with this comment right after the Anya backstab.
I hold media responsible for today's attack.
The ballot boxes are sealed, and so is the fate of the key candidates in the valley. The BJP, though confident of a saffron sweep.
I think all such comments hardly need to be taken seriously. All of us are over here in Srinagar, and what we have witnessed, the rally has just now concluded.
Will Modi magic work in Kashmir? Will Omar retain his turn? Or will other regional players spring up a surprise? December 23rd will reveal the big picture. Bureau Report, Times Now.